Hello dear PISC students, I'm called Teacher Theonest. I am a teacher of science and elementary technology in primary 6. Today we are going to learn unit number 1, which is called Mechanical and Blacksmith Tools. Unit number 1 is Mechanical and Blacksmith Tools. After this lesson, every student should be able to differentiate a mechanic from a blacksmith. After this lesson, every student should be able to differentiate a mechanic from a blacksmith. So, I want you to take your notebooks and your pens and write what you will learn in this lesson. Let us start on unit number 1, which is called Mechanical and Blacksmith Tools. Firstly, we have to know the meaning of the word a mechanic. Also, we can know the meaning of a word a blacksmith. Let me start on the first word, which is called a blacksmith. A blacksmith is a person who makes things from iron. A blacksmith is a person who makes things from the iron. The one number 2 is a mechanic. A mechanic is a person who repairs machines. A mechanic is a person who repairs machines. Also, we have what we call a mechanic tools. A mechanic tools. When we say mechanic tools, are tools used by a mechanic. Mechanic tools are tools used by a mechanic. Also, we have what you call a blacksmith tools. A blacksmith tools are tools used by a blacksmith. A blacksmith tools are tools used by a blacksmith. On number 1, let us start on mechanical tools. As you have said above, mechanical tools are tools used by a mechanic. There are some examples of mechanic tools. The first one, you have spanners. Spanners. Mechanic tool number 2, we have hacksaw. Hacksaw. Tool number 3 is called hand drill. Hand drill. Number 4 is pliers. Pliers. Number 5 is called bench vise. Bench vise. Number 6 is called screwdriver. Screwdriver. Number 7 is called mechanic's hammer. Mechanic's hammer. These are 7 tools used by a mechanic. The first one is spanners. The second one is hacksaw. The third one is hand drill. The fourth one is pliers. The fifth one is bench vise. Number 6 is called screwdriver. Then the last one is mechanic's hammer. Dear student, there are 7 tools used by a mechanic. Number 1 is spanners, number 2 is hacksaw, number 3 is hand drill, number 4 is pliers, number 5 is bench vise, number 6 is screwdriver, and number 7 is mechanic's hammer. Dear students, write correctly all tools used by a mechanic. Let me go slowly by slowly in order to help you to write them very well. Number 1 is called spanners. Spanners. Number 2, hacksaw. Hacksaw. Number 3, hand drill. Hand drill. Number 4, pliers. Pliers. Number 5, bench vise. Bench vise. Number 6, screwdriver. Screwdriver. Number 7, mechanic's hammer. Mechanic's hammer. So, before closing the lesson of today, I want you to remind all tools that we have learned today used by a mechanic. Try to remind me all tools that we have learned today used by a mechanic. Wonderful. There are 7 tools used by mechanic. The first one is spanners, hacksaw, hand drill, pliers, bench vise, screwdriver, and mechanic's hammer. Clap for you. So, I want you to do this work. Let me give you homework. It contains with 2 questions. The first question is differentiate a mechanic from a blacksmith. Question number 1 is differentiate a mechanic from a blacksmith. Question number 2, identify 5 tools used by a mechanic. Identify 5 tools used by a mechanic. So, this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for being attentive. I love you so much. See you. Bye-bye.